Mesdames et messieurs, votre attention, s'il vous plaît.
May I have your attention, please?
Atenção, senhoras e senhores.
Le commandant nous informe que nous devons nous préparer à faire un amérissage d'urgence. Restez calmes et écoutez attentivement.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain informs us that we should prepare for an emergency ditching. Remain calm. Listen carefully. Take your life jacket from under your seat.
Transat 236, this is Santa Maria Oceanic Control. We still have you on the 220 en route to Terceira. Is there any change?
Santa Maria, this is Air Transat 236. We are still at 39,000 feet, and fuel is decreasing rapidly.
Fucking shit, on vient de perdre le moteur droit.
That 236, the right engine just quit on us. I repeat, the right engine just quit on us.
Copy that, Air Transat 236.
C'était pas l'ordinateur notre style problème, hein? On est à combien de la Gesse?
Santa Maria, this is Air Transat 236. We've just lost both engines. I repeat, we've just lost both engines. Hydraulic is down, no more main electrical power.
Air Transat 236, what are your intentions?
Our intentions? C'est d'atterrir, sacrément.
Air Transat 236, this is Santa Maria. From now on, call Lajes on 119.25. Good luck, guys.
Lajes Control, this is Air Transat 236. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Come on, fuck, come on. Lajes Control, this is Air Transat 236. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday.
Air Transat 236, this is Lajes.
Heading to 220 out of 28,000 feet. Both engines out, main electrical system down.
We got your radar. You're 60 miles from the runway. How many passengers on board?
We have 293 passengers and 13 crew members for a total of 306 on board.
Roger. Your heading is good. I'll be back. Warning. This is not a drill. We have an ambush on this way. On the dead stick, I repeat, no engine. Be prepared for a possible crash landing or ditching.
Lajes Control, this is Air Transat 236. We're doing a 360 and we'll call you on final.
He's doing a 360 with no engine. This guy's crazy. He's too high and too fast. Main control to ground control. The Airbus is on its final approach. He's too high and too fast. and it's not looking good.
C'est un one-shot deal, Steve.
Distance, altitude. Lattice control, this is Air Transat 236. What's my distance and altitude?
Air Transat 236. You're still at 12,000 feet, 7 miles on final.
Faut qu'on fait 235 nœuds.
Check ma banner. Je l'ai.
Son of a bitch.
Gear down, now!
Brace!